I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and today I have the Magic Refiner 14. Yes, it's a 65% mechanical keyboard with blue switches. Yeah, blue switches. What kind of blue switches? You find out soon. Unboxing. Haha, bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. It means my things are in good condition. 2 layers of bubble wrap, different size bubbles. Yes. Magic Refiner MK14. Gaming mechanical keyboard. This has 68 keys. I wanted to buy the Razer Huntsman Mini, the Razer keyboard, but it doesn't have arrow keys. And I need arrow keys to work. And when I type and select photos, I just need the arrow keys. I use them quite a lot. And I don't want to press function and something else. This has arrow keys. Fantastic. I bought this. This cost me like, I don't know, 150 ringgit. Since I'm not buying Razer, I'm just going to buy a generic keyboard. Razer, please do the arrow keys. Unboxing. I like this box. This box isn't too big, so I can use this box to transport my keyboard. Why couldn't they make this perfectly shaped? Why must it be bigger? I don't know. That's it. Some Chinese words. More Chinese words. Actually, you know what? Some of you actually know Mandarin, so I think you can read this. That's it, the box. Oh wait, what's this? Where's my USB cable? Oh, thank goodness. There's USB-C. Oh, wait. That's what the sound was when I was doing this. Here's my USB-C cable. Ooh, free cable tie. How long is this cable? $150 cm. USB-C cable. I don't think it's one of those fast charging cables, but it doesn't really matter. Haha, now the keyboard. I'll show you the ass first. We like some good ass. Wait, start here. There's the good stuff. It's got these feet that go up. I don't like this feature. I don't use it. By right, this way gives more RSI, this way gives less. So they should be putting those adjustable feet on this side, but nope. They don't do that. Oh yeah, the front of the keyboard. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The arrow keys. Here's the sound. And here's what they sound like. My mic is here. So these are the keys. And these are the keys bottoming out. Got a little USB-C port here. It's good. Slightly recessed. You know what? I don't want to remove the keys, the switches, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Put it back. So you can see, it's a blue switch. BSUN. It says BSUN, BSUN. If you guys know what BSUN switches are, let me know. Leave a comment, please. I've searched online, there's no information about this. And the only place I can find it when in Google search is Amazon and Lazada. There's like no information. There's no even Magic Refiner website. Here we have keycaps with some Chinese words. Let me know what these mean. This is a sword, I think. It's Chinese words. Leave comments, please. Random arrow keys. Why arrow keys? I don't know. And spacebar. You know anyone who can laser? You know anyone who can laser keyboard? Laser marking. I want to put Jack review stuff on my spacebar. How many keys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 keys. This key says 2 and an arrow. This key says 8 and an arrow. And they're all just arrow keys. Why? It's a mystery. I don't need to know. Size. We can all see the sizing chart from the specs, but let's measure properly. Top key to top key is exactly 30 cm. Plate to plate is 31 cm. Escape key to control key is 9 cm. Body to body is 10 cm. Oh. Space bar is 11. Hey. What am I looking at? 11.5 cm. I have a Razer Tournament Edition. Wait. A Razer Black Widow Tournament Edition. And it's awesome. But I didn't want to leave it in my friend's shop or in a studio. So I bought this one. This is from Armageddon. This is also a 10 keyless. Why did I buy this? I bought this because they have it in Gadget Zone. I just walked into the shop and bought it. They also have it in Popular. This is about 100 ringgit. This is 100 something ringgit. But it's online. If you don't want to go online and buy it, you can bank transfer me some money and I'll buy this for you from Lazada and I'll give it to you in person. Let's compare the two. Look how dirty this is. So this is the standard 10 keyless with the function keys. And this is the one without, this is the 65% without function keys. Can you see? It's like a lot smaller. If you are a writer, if you are an accountant, you might want to buy, if you are an accountant, you might want to buy the ones with the keys here, or you might not, because I know that many accountants use laptops, and when you use a laptop, you probably want an external numpad, and since you already have an external numpad, you probably don't want to have a numpad on your keyboard. So it's called TKS 10 keyless. But why? Because laptop is portable. You want something that's portable, and this is more portable than that. So if you want a mechanical keyboard, buy this one. It's by Armageddon, the MKA 3C Psych Falcon. And this is the Magic Refiner MK14. 14? MK14, yes. Subscribe! This is so nice. Oh yes. Smell like factory. Oh, the clicky goodness. You see, this is the kind of thing I wanted, where the keys are flush with the edge. But instead, this one goes inside of it. But it's okay, I can't find any others which are 65% with arrow keys at this price. Alright, these are ABS plastic, 2-color injection suspension keycaps. So basically it won't wear out. The internal layer is transparent, something like the double shot PBD thing kind of thing. Operating pressure is 60 whatever, so I think it's grams of force, plus minus 10. 4mm key travel, and 2.2mm trigger, whatever that means.